and I've read through the creating spreadsheet-like views using text tables, and now it's for the try it section. So I've already opened the starter file in Tableau right here. And now we're going to go on to step 2. Build a text table showing sales by region, category, and subcategory. Hint. Drag category from the data pane to rows and then expand it to show subcategory. So category to rows. And then expand it to show subcategory. Alright. Drag region from the data pane to columns. Drag sales from the data pane and drop it over the ABC placeholders in the sales ABC. I see. Alright, and that was the expected result, and that is what we got. Alright, on to step 3, add subtotals and grand totals. Click the analysis menu, point to totals, and click show row grand totals. Analysis totals. Analysis. Show totals. Oh, totals, show row grand totals. Click the analysis menu, point to totals, and click show column grand totals. Click the analysis menu, point to totals, and click add all subtotals. Alrighty, that's what it's supposed to look like, and it does look like that. So on to step 4. Change the aggregation for sales to average and the subtotal and grand total labels to average. Hint. On the marks card, click the sales drop-down arrow, point to measure, and click average. In the view, right-click Total, click Format, and in the header pane under Totals, change the text for the label to average. Right-click Total, click Format, under Totals, change the text for the label to average. I click Total, click Format, and in the header pane under Totals, And then I'm just doing the same thing for this column, for this step right here. Repeat this process for row grand total. And then there's one other, let me expand this. Average, average. No, I'm pretty sure that's it. Alrighty. Yep, looks good. Great work, you've created a text table, added subtotals and grand totals, and changed the aggregation to average. To complete this activity, use your work to answer the following question. What region has the highest average subtotal for technology? For technology. That would be south. Yep, and we got that right. And that's just the solution. Alright, see you in the next try it section. Alright, now I've read through the using a highlight table to show specific values section, and so now we're at the try it section to build a highlight table to show profit data. I've already downloaded this file for the activity, and I'm going to follow the steps below to complete this activity. How exciting. Alright, step 1, open the starter file in Tableau. I've done that. Alright, step 2, create a text table that shows market and regional profits by category and subcategory. From the data pane, drag market and region to columns with region to the right of market. Alright, market and region to columns. Hello. Okay, it was just taking a second. With region to the right of market. Alright. From the data pane, drag category and subcategory to rows with subcategory to the right of category. So category and subcategory. Category and subcategory. From the data pane, drag profit to the view and drop it when the area showing ABC text is highlighted in black and show me appears. So profit. Over this section. Alright, this is the expected result, and that's what we have. Alright, 3. To reveal patterns or outliers in the profit data, create a highlight table that shows profit by color. On the marks card, use Control plus drag, Command plus drag on a Mac, or to drag a copy of some profit on text to color. So, Control and drag to drag a copy of some profit on text to color. Control, profit, color. Is that on the marks card? Change the mark type to square. Note that changing the mark type to square also changed text to label that. I hit O. I forgot. My regular control button doesn't work. That's why that didn't work. Try that one more time. Color and square. Alright. Now we've got what we want. Alright. Step number 4. Use the view you've assembled so far to answer the following question. Which product subcategory was the second most profitable in North Asia region? So product subcategory was the second product subcategory. So one of these things. Second was profitable in North Asia region. North Asia. Second. Is it chairs? I think it might be chairs. And I would be correct. Alrighty. Step number 5, add row totals to see which subcategories were the most and least profitable overall. On the analysis menu, point to totals and click Show Row Grand Totals. So on the analysis menu, Show Row Grand Totals. On the marked card, click Color and then click Edit Colors. In the Edit Colors dialog box, select Include Totals. To save the changes and close the dialog box, click OK in the Tableau desktop or in Web Authoring, click the X. Alright, so click OK. Note that adding color to the totals column dilutes all of the other colors in the highlight table. To complete the section, use the table you just created to answer the following questions about this data. Looking at the figures in the grand total column, which two products show the lowest profit grand totals? Okay. The lowest, well, one of them is definitely tables. So either fasteners or labels. Labels has 15,011 and fasteners have, okay, so it's fasteners and tables. Alrighty, and this is just the solution file. Alright, see you in the next try it section. Alright, I've read through and completed showing breakdowns for the whole using pie charts section, and now I'm going to do the try it section for this. I've already downloaded the file below to use with this activity, and so follow the steps below to complete this activity. 1, open the starter file. I've done that already. See, it's right here. Alright, create a pie chart that shows the 4 customer segments and set it to fit the entire view. Hint, on the marks card, click the drop-down list of marks and choose pie. And choose pie. That's a circle and that's a pie. Perfect. Alright, from the data pane, drag customer segment to color on the marks card. Customer segment to color. Customer segment to color. Pretty exciting. On the toolbar, click the Fit drop-down menu and change it to entire view. Fit drop-down menu, which is where? Oh yes, this. Entire view. Perfect. Alright, that's the expected result, and that's what we have. Step 3. Modify the pie chart to show a sales breakdown and add labels to show sales total. Hint. From the data from the data pane, drag sales to angle on the marks card. Sales to angle. Sales to angle. And then drag sales to label. Alright. right, that's the expected result, and that is what we have. Step number 4, name the worksheet sales by segment and create a second worksheet titled sales by region. Double click the worksheet tab, type sales by segment, and press enter. Sales by segment. All right, and then we're adding another sheet. And what are we calling this one? Sales by region. All right, and that's what it looks like, just with that new worksheet down there. All right, step number 5, on the sales by region worksheet, use show me to create a pie chart that shows the sales for each region. On the sales by region worksheet in the data pane, press and hold the control key on Windows or the blah, 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 while you click region and sales. So control while I click region and sales. Region and sales. In the top right of the toolbar, click show me and then click the pie chart ISO. Wait, what? In the top right of the toolbar, click show me. Oh, right here. And then click the pie chart icon. Click show me again to close the show me pane. Alright, and yep, that's what it looks like. Number 6, add labels for sales and set the pie chart to fit the entire view. From the data pane, drag sales to label on the marks card. Sales to label. On the toolbar, click the Fit drop-down menu and change it to entire view. Beautiful. Alright, and that's what the expected result looks good. Great work. You've built pie charts using 2 different methods. To complete this activity, use your work to answer the following question. Based on the pie charts you just created, which customer segment had the highest sales? That would be Asia Pac. Oh, sales by segment. Corporate. Okay. Submit. That is correct. Alright, and this is just the solution file, and in this module you've learned how to build pie charts and when they are an effective way to display and analyze the data. This will probably be helpful for project part number 3. Alright, see you in the next section. Alright, I've read through using bar and bar charts and bullet graphs to compare measures, and now we are at the try it section. I've downloaded the file below to use with this activity, build a bar and bar chart starter, and I'm going to follow the steps below to complete this activity. Oh, please? I don't know why it's not letting me click out. Okay. 1. Open the starter file in Tableau. I have done that already. 2. Build a side-by-side view with 2018 sales and 2019 sales by category and subcategory. Alright, this is the hint for Tableau Desktop. From the data pane, drag 2018 sales to columns. 2018 sales to columns. Might take a second. Alright. Drag category to rows. Category to rows. Drag subcategory to rows and place it to the right of category. Next to category. Alright, specifically to the right. From the data pane, drag 2019 sales to the 2018 sales axis, the horizontal axis, dropping it when two green bars appear. 2019. Two green bars appear. I'll try that. That's right. Step 2 places measure values on columns and measure names on rows and filters card. What did I do? Go back one. Down here? Oh, yep, that's the correct one. Okay, cool. I was going up here instead of down here, which I should have been doing. Alright. And, yep. Those are where they should be. Step 3, stack the bars by adding measure names to color and to size. From rows, drag measure names to color on the marks side. Measure names to color. On the marks card, press and hold the control key while dragging measure names to size. This adds a copy of measure names to size, the expected result. Yep, and that is what we've pretty much. Hold on. What happened here? From rows. Oh, from rows. Drag measure names to color. There we go. And now hit control and go to size. Small mistake, but an error nonetheless. Expected result, and now we have that expected result. Alright, step 4, change the stack bars into bar and bar and sort the bars in descending order within each category. On the analysis menu, point to stack marks and select off to start both bars at the 0 position. Analysis, stack marks, off. Analysis, stack marks, off. On columns, click the measure values field to select it. On the toolbar, click Sort Descending icon to sort the bars in descending order by sales amount. To select, sort descending. Alright, that's the expected, and that's what we have. Step number 5, form the axis for currency to thousands. Right-click the value axis and select Format. The Format Measure Values pane displays. In the Format Measure Values pane to the left of the view, click the Numbers drop-down menu. The Numbers option displays. right. Choose currency, custom. Set decimal places to 0. And set display units to thousands. Leave include thousand separators checked. Click in the Access pane to close the dialog box. Alright. Click X to close the Format Measure Values window. This is the result we got, and this is the expected result. Good job. You've created a bar and bar chart that compares one measure directly against another. To complete this section, use the view you just created to answer the following question about this data. Which subcategory had the most overall sales in both 2018 and 2019? Most overall sales, it looks like technology. Or phones. And that would be correct. Alrighty. Alright, and I've completed these 4 sections as long as they're try it sections. I've done creating spreadsheet like views using text tables, using a highlight table to show specific values, showing breakdowns of the whole using pie charts, and using bar and bar charts and bullet graphs to compare measures.